Welcome to the Fresh from Florida Test Kitchen. I'm Chef Justin, and today we are making a Florida avocado mango salad. So let's get started on our recipe. There are a couple of ways we can cut our mangoes. I'm gonna use a knife for this one. Sometimes I like to use a peeler. You can go either way. And then once we have this done, and carefully run it across, take off these nice pieces of Florida mango. And I'm gonna take my knife and just go all the way through. And when you open it up, you can see a beautiful, ripe Florida avocado. So now what I want to do is just use my fingers and take off this outer skin. And then I'm going to go ahead and slice these into chunks that are about the size of how we cut the mango. I've rinsed and dried these cucumbers well, and now I'm going to cut them on a little bit of a diagonal angle here so they're going to fit well into our salad. And now all the ingredients of our salad are ready to go together, and we can start working on our dressing. First thing I want to do is take a little bit of raw garlic, it's already been pureed, a little pinch of some crushed red chili pepper, which will give this a little bit of spice and heat. Next, just going to add a little bit of chili garlic sauce that I purchased at the grocery store. I'm also going to add some sesame seeds. I've got a mix of sesame seeds here, toasted, black and white sesame seeds, going to give some great flavor and texture. Now it's time to add a little soy sauce. I'm using a low sodium soy sauce here. And then the last thing we're going to do is add some fresh ginger. So we've got our Asian style vinaigrette made. Now we're going to go ahead. I'm going to make just a nice little place in the middle here. All right, then I also have red onion that I have soaking in some rice wine vinegar. It's kind of like some pickled red onions. And then I want to go back with our Asian style vinaigrette that we made, and then go right around on some of these greens that we laid around the bowl. And then finally, we're just going to garnish with a few more of our sesame seeds. We got the white toasted and the black. And there you have it, our Florida avocado mango salad. In the meantime, I'm Chef Justin, and remember, keep cooking.